Head over to PolarWave.app to view your scans. In this tutorial, we'll use PolarWave Data to visualize your FG Sensors DIY Magnetometer kit scan in 3D. PolarWave Data is browser-based software that works on any device with an internet connection. It lets you view your scan in 1D, 2D, and 3D, place it on a map with a grid overlay, add markers, and apply filters to process your data. From the dashboard, there are two ways to upload your gradiometer scan. Click the magnetometer icon and then search, or simply click the Upload My Scan Data button right on the dashboard. After clicking, select your device type. In our case, that's the gradiometer kit under the FG Sensors brand. Select the file you want to visualize, then click Upload. Once the upload is complete, click on the file name and your scan will open. Your scan now appears in 3D as a cube. By default, all values are shown as negative. To change this, enable Show Real Values. Now you'll see both negative and positive values. You have the option to hide the cube walls by setting them to 0%. The cube includes a soil simulation that visually mimics the ground. To turn it off, go to Soil Settings and disable Draw Texture. To create a marker, simply click on a signal or anywhere on the 3D graph. Now let's have a look at 1D chart. Markers appear across all views, 1D, 2D, and 3D, and filter settings are synchronized through the project. Let's go through them. Amplifier boosts the signal strength, making weak anomalies more visible. Useful when your targets are deep or the signal is faint. Interpolation fills in the gaps between measured points, creating a smoother, more continuous image of the subsurface. Great when your scan lines are spaced further apart. Averaging smooths the data by averaging neighboring values. This reduces random noise and makes real anomalies stand out more clearly. Median filter removes sudden spikes and outliers, like interference from metal debris on the surface or electronic noise, while preserving the true shape of your signals. Bilateral filter smooths noise while keeping the edges of anomalies sharp. Unlike simple averaging, it won't blur the boundaries of a detected object. Anisotropic filter, an intelligent smoothing filter that adapts to the structure of your data. It reduces noise along uniform areas, but preserves important details and transitions. You can remove markers at any time in the settings. Ready to explore your own data? Go to PolarWave.app and see your scans in 3D.